Welcome. I just finished up a video where I cleaned my kayak here. I'll put a link in the description to that video. In this video I wanted to share a tip that can save you a tremendous amount of money when you're car topping your kayak or bicycle. So I have my car here, I have the kayak on top. I didn't just go kayaking, I'm just doing this for the video. But you can see if I drove forward I'd hit the top of the garage. And after you're kayaking or riding a bike for a long time, you might be a little sleepy, you just want to relax, and you get home, you might not even think twice about pulling into your garage. So what I like to do is I like to put a plastic sawhorse here, so this will block my car from going in. So anytime I'm going kayaking, I prop this sawhorse here, and when I get home, I know to stop the car. I came upon this idea myself, and I'm guessing other people will do the same thing. I saw a device once that you can put in your car that will like pop up when you slow down, it will tell you to look up. And I like this a little better because you'll know if you hit a sawhorse when you're pulling into the garage. So I'll link below on Amazon to some sawhorses. If you need one and you buy one through that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. And I have a pair of these sawhorses. I use them to clean the kayak, so I'll put the kayaks up on top. And when I load it up on my wall where I store it, I'll set it up on the sawhorses to help me lift it up a little bit before I strap it to my wall. So that's all for this video. This is a quick tip, but you know, it can save you a ton of money because I know there are instances of people hitting their kayaks and bicycles against the garage, and sometimes the bicycle or kayak costs more than the damage to the house. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.